Hello there, darlings. Now listen, the, a lot of you guys have spiritual gifts and you just don't even know it. Okay? Affirm. I remember. I know who I am. And we also have the Ascended Mastery number 333 and 333. Okay, Archangel Jophiel. When you see that number, just know that powerful and wise and loving Ascended Masters are walking with you and working with you and are proud of you and are letting you know that, hey, you have some gifts that you just haven't tapped into. Affirm. I am fearless. And no outside source is allowed to interfere in my life. I remember that I am the source of value and money is coming and all resistance to prosperity has dissolved.